Earlier there was an observation. The earlier head has to do the observation. Those heads were there, but self-evaluation of the teacher, teachers' feedback from the students, and the teachers' rating to the head was not seen. So those practices I wanted to do here. So I have developed one questionnaire and some questions for students, some questions for teachers, and some questions for themselves to do themselves observation. So these are the three forms what we are doing. So first one what I have developed is the teacher self-evaluation. They will understand themselves where they are, what is their interest, where they are, their approach, and what their internal policies among themselves, what is the commitment. There are 4 domains. First one is teaching evaluation, means they are doing themselves teaching, how mind teaching. For example, show genuine interest in the children, whether they have an interest with the children, whether they are at a positive approach towards the students, then whether they have patience and understanding for the student. Means sometimes they are high temper, so whether we have that, we have a control ourselves. Then the policies of and procedures, how we have discussed in the monthly meeting, okay. And then others, whatever the departmental policies, whether as a student, as a teacher, how they can do the policies in the class, whether they are doing the plan sheet or simply they are going in the classroom and they are teaching. They have to do their plans, all the records, not only the teaching record, each and individual student's record, that they are maintaining or not, which students is what they are lacking, that has to be maintained. That is done in the first teaching evaluation. Then personal evaluation, like they keep what are their record, self record, as well as their future, means what we are saying, the higher studies, where they are reaching, what they are doing, what are the seminars they are attending, what are the workshops they are attending, and that is coming under the personal evaluation. And you might be teaching several years, but those students might be different, this student might be different.
When you don't get feedback, you cannot make out whether what you are doing or what you are teaching is whether it is going in correct path, or you are doing whatever you want. So you don't get guidance, so there is no possibility of improvement. Whatever you do, you think it is correct. So feedback is very important from the seniors.
Sometimes I go to class, sit in the classroom, write the observation. I never discuss anything in the class with the particular teacher, and everything is noted down. And after that, I'll ask the teacher, this is what I observe, what are the plus things, what are the negative things, so what you can have changes in the next class. That is what we are discussing. Here we have date, time, class, then subject, name of the teacher, which is the teacher observation, and then the remark and the signature also taken, because they should also know that we have been observed the class. Teachers has taken as a positive now. They are also knows that we are having lacking, and all the teachers come out. Earlier only few teachers is to discuss in the staff room also, meeting whenever we had. But now all teachers says we have to change, we have to do something. And after coming with even the evaluation with Shala Siddhi, they have taken a lot of positive thing, and they wanted that we are going to change within 2-3 years. Next coming 2-3 years, complete system of change, because one day it is not possible. They also agree it is not possible.
आमी 9th आसली तेन्ना आमकां चड कळनासलें शिकयता. आमी 9th आसतना बरोवन दिल्ले खंयचो सर सारको शिकयता कळटा तेच्या अनुसार बरोवन दिल्ले. मागीर सरान तें वाचलें आनी मागीर टिचर्सांक सांगलें वचोन तांकां मातशें दुसरें मेथड यूज करून शिकया म्हणून. मागीर आमचें आतां मातशें इम्प्रूव जाला.